So one of the du'as that the Prophet ﷺ taught us to increase sustenance and quality of life is the following. I just chose the shortest ones. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan tayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbala. Oh Allah, I ask you for knowledge that is of benefit, a good provision, and deeds that will be accepted. And you should recite this dua upon waking up in the morning. Once again, Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan tayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbala. The second one is a dua of Yunus alayhi salam to take you out of any difficulty. Subhanaka Allahumma inni kuntu min al-zalimin. Or Subhanaka inni kuntu min al-zalimin. Oh Allah, you are so perfect, I am not. I have oppressed and wronged myself. Saying this dua will take you out of every hardship. The Prophet ﷺ said so. Another dua that you can say and dhikr is this. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-faqri wal-qillati wal-dhilla. Oh Allah, I seek refuge in you from poverty and from lack of resources, wal-dhilla, and humiliation, needing to ask people. Wa a'udhu bika an azlima wa an uzlam. And I seek refuge in you, my Lord, from being an oppressor to others and from others oppressing me. And this is Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam told us, the hadith in Rawahu Imam Ahmad. So these are some ways, brothers and sisters, some dhikr. Download a book called Fortress of the Muslim and take some dhikr du'as from there that inshaAllah when you say them, bi'idhnillah, by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it has an effect on the provision, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala works with you when you make this dhikr. Finally, I finish with this beautiful poem of reflection. Someone wrote it, I don't know, it's an anonymous person, but I really loved it. It says, I asked for riches that I might be happy. I was given poverty that I might be wise. I asked for power that I might have the praise of men. I was given weakness that I might feel the need of God and empathy. I asked for all things that I might enjoy life. I was given life that I might enjoy all things. I got nothing I asked for, but everything I had hoped for. Almost despite myself, my unspoken prayers were answered. I am among men most richly blessed. In the Quran, every time I saw rizq, there are always four things about it that Allah connects. Number one, rizq is always accompanied with gratitude. You have to be grateful to Allah for the rizq. Number two, that it is accompanied with knowing that you get what you need, not what you want always. Allah gives you what you need for what He wants you to be in this life. Number three, it talks about never letting pursuit of wealth take over your obligations and worship. You stop it, you pray. You don't let it overcome your purpose of life and your worship. And number four, rizq is always attached to charity. Give. And when I say charity, I don't mean just to the poor and through charity organization. Everything you spend to benefit others is called a charity in Islam. Your wife, your husband, your mother, your father, your children, your siblings, your uncles, your aunts, whatever is within your means and abilities, even what you spend on yourself for your sustenance and livelihood is also called sadaqah and infaq, charity.